Coming up on September 18th, 2024, there will be a historically important event. You must not miss it at all costs. A super full moon, which is the biggest and brightest moon of the year, will light up the night sky. But this isn't just any full moon. A big change in energy is coming, and the next 48 hours will be very important. This event in the sky could be the reason you've been feeling restless or like something big is changing. The energy from this super full moon will have a big impact on your feelings, thoughts, and even body, whether you're ready for it or not. What will happen next? Listen up, because now is the time to get ready. It is called a super full moon when the moon is in its full phase and at its closest point to Earth in its irregular orbit, a point called perigee. This makes the moon look up to 14% bigger and 30% brighter than a normal full moon, which is a stunning sight that draws people in. This super full moon isn't just a beautiful sight, it's also a rare cosmic event that makes the moon's effect on Earth stronger. In the past, the moon has been connected to spiritual and emotional forces. During a super full moon, these connections are much stronger. Studies show that during this phase, the moon's gravitational pull is at its strongest. This makes the tides rise about 2 to 3 inches higher than normal. But it's not just the seas that feel this pull. Our feelings can also feel this stronger kind of gravity. A lot of people think that when the moon is full, people can feel more emotional, restless, or even reflective. Now, during this super full moon is a great time to think deeply, make things happen, and grow emotionally. The energy it brings can be a powerful force for change in your life. Why the super full moon on September 18th, 2024 is important. There are several important things about the super full moon on September 18th, 2024. First, the moon will be only 221,831 miles from Earth, making it the closest and most beautiful super full moon of the year. While the usual distance between Earth and the moon is about 238,855 miles, this is a very rare chance to see the moon in all its glory. But what really makes this event unique is that it happened during a time of high cosmic energy, which is often linked to big changes in emotions and spiritual reflection. People who are aware of lunar cycles and other heavenly events will find that now is a good time to use the moon's energy to change themselves. Astrologically, it's very important that this super full moon happens at this time. It happens at the same time as a number of significant planetary alignments. For example, Mars is making a key angle with Venus, which could make feelings, relationships, and personal goals stronger. Many people think that when these kinds of celestial events happen, the veil between the spiritual and physical worlds gets smaller. This, they say, makes it possible for deeper spiritual experiences and a clearer understanding of inner truth. Some people may feel like the energy in the air is more powerful and even out of control. The energy shift and what it means, the change in energy that comes with this super full moon, should help people understand their feelings and make mental improvements. If you've been having trouble with unsettled feelings or confusion, this lunar event might help you see things more clearly. Lunar psychology studies show that full moons, especially super full moons, can make sleep problems, emotional sensitivity, and vivid dreams 5 to 8% worse. This is why a lot of people meditate, set intentions, and manifest their dreams during this time. They use the moon's strong energy to move their lives in new ways. Get ready, because the super full moon on September 18th, 2024 is more than just a natural event. It will change your life. With this lunar event, you have a one-of-a-kind chance to grow as a person, heal emotionally, or rise spiritually. Now is the right time to use the energy that is ready. Are you ready? During this time of the super full moon, problems that haven't been fixed, old habits, and feelings that need to be let go of may become clear. Taking time to think about yourself, heal, and let go of things that are no longer helpful for your growth is a great idea right now. While this moon is in your sign, its energy may make you want to start over because it helps you make your dreams and goals come true. Now is the best time to do spiritual things like meditation, writing in a journal, and setting goals because the moon's energy will be at its strongest. Because this super full moon makes us more aware, It gives us a special chance to use its energy for personal growth. This is why spiritual seekers all over the world are so excited about it. The important 48-hour period, people who want to connect with the powerful energy of the super full moon on September 18, 2024, need to pay close attention to the 48 hours leading up to it. 24 hours before and after the full moon is when the moon's energy is at its strongest. The gravitational pull, cosmic influences, and strong emotional reactions are all at their strongest at this time. It's during this time that the moon has the most significant impact on the minds, emotions, and even bodies of many people. You might start to feel more energetic in the 24 hours before the super full moon. Now is the time to get your mind and emotions ready for the energy shift that is coming. A lot of people say that as the full moon gets closer, they feel restless, emotional, or even excited. As the moon hits its full phase, now is a great time to think about feelings or situations in your life that need to be dealt with but haven't yet. The most powerful part of the super full moon, at the height of the full moon, the energy is at its strongest. Emotional clarity often comes at this time, making it the best time to set intentions, make goals come true, and make big choices. Some studies on lunar effects say that this is the time when the moon's gravitational pull is highest. This could cause ocean tides to rise by a few inches, and could even make people feel more emotionally sensitive by 1% to 2%. The 24 hours following a full moon, the 24 hours after the super full moon, are just as important, since the moon's power starts to slowly fade. This is a great chance to make the changes and new insights you got during the peak phase last even longer. To stay calm and on task, do things that help you feel grounded, like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or time spent in nature. In fact, studies have shown that spending just 20 minutes outside after these kinds of intense celestial events can reduce stress by 8 to 10% and improve mental health. Working with the super full moon's energy and staying open to its effects can help you get rid of old habits and make room for new ones that will help you grow, be successful, and evolve as a person. The September 18, 2024 super full moon is likely to have a big effect, giving people who are ready for change a chance to make things better. Many people may feel more emotionally sensitive and physically energetic in the days before and after the super full moon. The moon has long been linked to the subconscious mind and emotional states. It will make feelings stronger, making it almost impossible to ignore or push down deep-seated emotions. You might have big changes in your mood, exciting dreams, and even sudden realizations about things you've been burying for a long time. If you're sensitive to these changes, this is a great chance to let go of your feelings and heal. Sensitivity to emotions and insights. When your feelings come to the surface, you may feel stressed or more curious about yourself. Studies show that the full moon affects the emotions of about 45 to 50% of people. Some people feel a strong sense of sadness, while others feel an unexpected sense of emotional clarity. This super full moon is expected to make these effects stronger, giving people a chance to face and let go of mental baggage they've been holding on to for a long time. If you've been carrying around stress or doubts about certain parts of your life, now may be the time for them to surface. These feelings will help you grow if you accept them and work through them. It's important to make time for reflection, whether that's through writing in a notebook, meditating, or just being still and thinking. Energy and activity in the body. The energy around the super full moon can make you feel nervous or make you want to do more physical things. About 1/3 of people say they have trouble sleeping during full moons, and this super full moon may make that problem worse. As the moon's pull gets stronger, it could mess up your sleep patterns, make you feel more energized than normal, or even drain you. The change in energy at this time can make you feel both tense and excited. For some, it gives them a sense of renewal and pushes them to finally move in areas where they've been sitting still. You may feel compelled to start new projects, go after long-held goals, or make changes to your daily life right now. About 60% of people who pay attention to the moon find that they are more active during super full moons and are often motivated to make big changes in their lives. People who are very sensitive to lunar phases, on the other hand, might need to put their self-care practices first. During this time, it's important to stay calm, drink lots of water, and get enough rest to avoid burnout and handle energy changes well. Using the power of the super full moon, being aware is needed to handle the high mental and physical energy of the super full moon. You can use this powerful energy to your advantage by being aware of your increased sensitivity and letting your feelings run their course as they come up. You can turn this lunar event into a powerful time of growth and renewal if you stay centered and aware. Goal is very important. Having a clear mind as you approach the super full moon on September 18, 2024, can make all the difference. This is the time when the moon's energy is strongest, so it's a great time to do things that connect you with its power. How to use the moon's power in real life. Practicing meditation is one of the best ways to use the moon's power. According to research, relaxing during a full moon can make you feel 15 to 20% more emotionally clear. This is because the heightened atmosphere helps people focus on themselves and gain new insights into their current situations. Meditation during the super full moon can help you connect with a stronger spiritual and emotional energy, giving you more clarity and understanding. You can feel more connected to the lunar cycle if you do grounding exercises like deep breathing, visualizing, or even going barefoot on the ground. Focus on letting go of old habits, limiting beliefs, or feelings that don't help you as you meditate. Now is the time to get clear on your goals and use the moon's energy to help you reach them, whether they have to do with healing, personal growth, or making things happen. You can make new plans and let good energy flow into your life during this super full moon. Writing in a diary is a powerful way to use this electricity. Writing down your feelings, thoughts, and goals helps you understand yourself better and stay on track with your plans. Writing in a journal about what you want to bring into your life during the super full moon can help you attract these changes more easily, whether it's personal growth, jobs advancement, or emotional healing. Writing down your goals makes them more real and doable. It's important to set goals during any full moon, but this is especially true during a super full moon. Pay attention to the parts of your life that you want to change and make your goals clear, either by speaking or writing them down. These goals are like seeds that grow when the moon is in this fertile phase. Another important habit is showing gratitude. You can receive even more when you say thank you for the good things you already have. Setting intentions, writing in a journal, and being grateful are all powerful practices that you can use together to make lasting, good changes in your life. Significance for astrology. The super full moon on September 18, 2024 will have even more changing power because of what it means in astrology. Full moons often mean completion, introspection, and increased awareness. A super full moon, on the other hand, makes these effects stronger, bringing out even more clarity and feeling. Different parts of your life will stand out depending on what sign of the zodiac this super full moon falls in. For instance, if the moon is in Pisces, it might make you more aware of your intuition, your dreams, and your mental healing. It could be more about action, freedom, and making brave choices if it's in Aries, though. This super full moon might line up with other planetary moves, like major oppositions or conjunctions, which could make individual and group experiences stronger. Astrology can help you understand how this moon's energy will affect you, whether you're dealing with relationships, your job, or even issues that affect the whole world. Changes in personality. There is a powerful chance for good change during this super full moon. The stronger energy of this stone makes you think deeply and let go of ideas or habits that are holding you back. As your emotions and understanding grow, you'll be better able to make choices that are in line with what you want. Now is the time to make changes that will last, whether you're making new goals, fixing relationships, or focusing on personal growth. You can make your future better and more rewarding by working with the energy of the super full moon. Use this energy to move forward with confidence and a sense of purpose, knowing that the world is behind your change. Feeling as excited about the super full moon as we do? Please like this video and subscribe to Psychonics to get more news. Feel free to share this upbeat affirmation below. I am ready to embrace the changes and harness the power of the full moon. Let's make things happen and use this strong lunar energy.